During a wash bar license amendment request, questions came up about Spent Fuel Pool's Neutron Absorber Aging Management Program. With some of the oldest boral absorber material in the industry, two options existed to meet NRC expectations: periodic in-situ testing or coupon monitoring. Coupons were deemed to be the best option, so new equipment had to be designed, fabricated, and tested to remove the boral panels from the racks. Coupons were then harvested, with independent testing results from both Holtec and EPRI providing good agreement with the materials manufacturing data.
These positive testing results were important and of benefit to the industry. The resulting EPRI report clearly showed that there were no issues with spent fuel pool boral as the material, which resolved NRC concerns. This led to NRC endorsement of NEI 1603 Rev 1, which includes the ILAMP program as an option for sites with no coupons. ILAMP lets sites without coupons take credit for the monitoring being performed at other sites that do have coupons, as long as they are similar enough. ILAMP is truly innovative in its ability to share industry data for all to benefit, with improved safety, less dose, and cost savings, because for every 5 plants that implement ILAMP, the savings is approximately $5 million over in situ testing for every 10 years.